Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a flat screen TV with TV stand with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with the stand, starting with a 1x6 plate. Let's set down a 1x2 brick right in the center and a pair of 1x1 bricks with one stud on both sides. Then take a 1x1 by 1x2 upwards angler plate. I'm going to place a set of 1x1 plates on the back side. We're going to make two of these, and I want to place these in such a way where the studs and tubes on the angler plate are facing away from these studs. Then we're going to lock all that together with a pair of 1x6 plates, and we're going to set down a set of 1x2 ingots for little drawer fronts. And we're going to flip this thing on the back side. Take 4 1x1 round plates with 3.2 shaft. We're going to place the shafts inside these tubes. This is going to flip our stud orientation around so this can be attached to a base plate. For the flat screen TV, start with a 2x6 plate. I'm going to place 3 2x3 flat tiles. They're hanging over by one stud. And I want to flip this over right here. A 1x2 plate, and in the two remaining areas, a pair of 1x2 plates with upright 3.2 stick. These are going to act as legs for the TV. Place another one there. Then a set of 1x2 by 2 corner plates, and in order to keep the TV anchored down to the TV stand, a pair of these studs with the side stick. We're going to place these where the sticks are facing downwards, and then to lock all that in, a pair of 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. Let's sandwich all that together, and in the 2x2 opening, an inverted 2x2 flat tile to smooth off the back of the TV. Now let's set these two sticks inside these holes to anchor the TV down to the stand.